point. In this video, we will derive the dispersion relation for monoatomic lattice. First of all, we consider a monoatomic lattice containing atom with mass m. Let A be the separation between the atom. Let US be the displacement of S plane. The force on the S plane due to the displacement of S plus 1 plane is given by F of R, where R show the right hand side, is equal to C U S minus S plus 1 minus U of S. The force on S plane by S minus 1 plane is given by F of L is equal to C U S minus 1 minus U of S. The total force on S plane is given by F is equal to FL plus FR, which is equal to C U S plus 1 plus U S minus 1 minus 2 U of S. We know force is equal to MA and A is equal to d square US over dt square. So this term become MD square US over dt square is equal to C US plus 1 plus US minus 1 minus 2 US. Let if US is equal to A exponent iota KSA minus omega t is the solution of above equation, then above equation become md square over dt square A exponent iota KSA minus omega t is equal to C, where A is the constants. md square over dt square A exponent iota KSA minus omega t is equal to C A exponent iota K S plus 1 A minus omega t plus A exponent iota K S minus 1 of A minus omega t minus 2 A exponent iota K S A minus omega t. So this term become minus m omega square A exponent iota K S A minus omega t, and from this term we take common A exponent iota K S A minus omega t C, then iota exponent iota K A plus exponent minus iota K A minus 2, which implies that minus m omega square is equal to C exponent iota K A plus exponent minus iota K A minus 2. And we know cos theta is equal to exponent iota theta plus exponent minus iota theta over 2. So this term becomes C 2 cos K A minus 2, which implies that m omega square is equal to C 1 minus 2C 1 minus cos Ka. We know 1 minus cos theta by 2 is equal to sin square theta by 2. So above equation become m omega square is equal to 4C sin Ka over 2. and omega square become 4c over m sine square ka over 2, and omega become and square root 4c over m sine ka over 2, where ka is wave vector, c is force constants, omega is frequency of propagation of wave, and a is separation between atoms. Now we will discuss some cases. At k is equal to 0, sine ka over 2 becomes 0. So omega becomes 0. At k is equal to pi by a, omega is equal to square root 4c over m sine pi by a by 2. A cancel and sine pi by 2 is equal to 1. So omega is equal to square root 4c over m and is equal to 2 square root c over m. At low frequency, when k approaches to 0, sine ka over 2 approximately equal to ka over 2. So omega is equal to 4c over m square root ka over 2. 2 square root c over m ka over 2. 2 and 2 cancel out, and a square root c over m k.